I'm gonna tape you regardless of if you chop the bunny or not, so you might as well do something interesting.
Seppuku the rabbit.
As long as you promise to edit this and put the Game of Thrones theme song to it. Do you have any last words? Very well.
That was a pretty clean break.
It was. One solid.
That could not have gotten any better.
That was awesome.
Please tell me you got that.
Yes, I got that.
That was amazing.
I wish there was like stuff pouring out of it so badly.